Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. How are you guys? How's your morning? How's your FOMC price action? How did you like FOMC price action? Because I wouldn't say it was bad. I mean, IM session, as I expected, was bad. Like, not really bad, just slow. But overall, not that bad. It went where I wanted to see. Just took 5 hours. Hey, guys, how are you? Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. So because I didn't steam yesterday, I entered the trade using empty model and just closed my computer. My target was hit right at 2 p.m. I entered around like 9:20, 9:30. I don't really remember. So I was happy. Guys, it was hard to hold this trade because when I was checking, I was moving at break even, then back to my swing low, like original stop loss. It was kind of psychologically hard yesterday to hold the trade, but wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. Really price action. What did I? Oh, okay. Yesterday was Wednesday. Okay, I got it. So basically, I entered somewhere here, closed over here, right at the top. Nice move down to a 15-minute untapped fair value gap and then move up. Honestly, like exactly what I want to see. Yesterday on NQ. Hello, everyone. Hello. So we have new day opening gap lower. And I really want to see we fill in new day opening gaps and move up again. Yeah, let's do top-down analysis for each assets. So we have London high, we have forced standard deviation above yes and Q higher, which is my objective, probably for the day, not quite sure yet. So forced standard deviation near 24K and 64.85 is my key levels, probably targets for the day. But what I would like to see first, I would like to see a day opening gap first. So in my perfect world, I really want to see a move like this. What will be in reality? I have no idea what will be in reality, but something like this, like sharp move down and up, that's what I want to see, guys. And yes, exactly same idea. We have exactly same new day opening gap. Maybe it may just partially feel this. Then I would like to see London high taken. Like I would like to see London high today, like preferably. But the question is if we get moved down first. Let's check CL real quick. CL kind of chop, but looking at daily that we discussed before, I want to see we taken out by side liquidity levels and drop to take equal lows and pump again. So I'm quite bearish on CL for the next week. I really would like to see we taking out equal lows, then we reversing all the way up again. Yeah, probably it will go all the way up to 24,500. Probably that's totally possible. So I will look for continuation lower on CL. I don't see setup just yet to trade short because I'm not sure we are going to drop today. It probably will happen tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Maybe we'll start on Monday. We need news to drop hard, right? We don't have it yet. Looking for potential sweep model. Nothing to trade on CL, and I'm going to explain why. Because it's chop. See this hourly candle and 30-minute candles, it's chop. Okay, gold. I would like to see it tracing down back to this flat candle. So let me show you what I would like to see. Give me 1 second. Gold. We have flat candle lower. We have some sell side, internal sell side. I would like to see something like this. Hello, hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Talking about setup itself, we have potential 30-minute sweep and hourly sweep. So we got 3-minute OB. Let's see. This one. And after this, I really would like to see reversal to buy side liquidity level. So retracing back to discount, basically OT, and probably look for a long somewhere from here. Where is my? Maybe something like this. But my draw is 66.70. I just would like to see retracing down to OT. Maybe something like this. Discount. Just need to enter discount again. Flat candle on 3-minute chart. I do like this. Just would like to see long from discount. That's pretty much it. To a buy side liquidity level. Okay, let's see. I'm going to highlight hourly open, 9 a.m. open. I don't know what kind of empty model it's going to be because it's just accumulation so far. Yeah, let's see. But once again, I'm more bearish on CL. Would like to see higher on gold, but preferably after retracing to discount. Let's see how it goes. So there is no empty model just yet because once again we accumulating near hourly open, so nothing worse to try, I would say. Okay. Watching CL right now. Nice move down overall. Just choppy, quite choppy on 30-minute and hourly to engage. Nice drop on CL, just once again. Not enough information to get huge short, you know. Let's see. So what I would like to see, we're trading below hourly open, like good trading below hourly open. Maybe the test of this week's over here, right? So I would like to see like slightly lower. And probably I will look for long using empty model. Let's see how it goes. That's the problem. I don't see like solid short setup on CL right now. That's the issue, I guess. I will wait. Hello, hello everyone. Good morning, everyone. So let's see if NQ can trade below hourly open, like solo trading, solo drop below hourly open, 9 a.m. open to consider potential long using 2-minute order block. Okay, going to connect accounts. Okay. My funded futures. ATM strategy. Okay, connected. So I like how we dropping selling off below 9 a.m. open. That's going to be good probable long opportunity using M2 model. Later today. So new video about M2 model coming next week. I wouldn't say like there is a reason to project something right now in this job. So kind of no interest in this yet. So as you can see, we're still trading below an hourly open. Our condition is to hit high time frame level, medium time frame level, right? So what it can be, for example, the test of this order block, right? What else it can be? We have some liquidity level slower, also good for us. We have some internal sell side liquidity level, so it can be medium time frame levels, right? For potential rejection from them. Let's see how it goes. It's quite choppy right now on ES. Don't really like this. I don't really like this on NQ as well because of this week, but what I see so far probably is going to be a long model for NQ later today. Gold, I wouldn't say like something significant is going on so far, so nothing to analyze. Overall, I would like to see 33.66 on gold, but I would like to see 33.66 after the tracement down to discount. So let's see how it goes. Oh, I don't know how you can keep trading when school starts. It's always hard, you know. Just find 1 hour time window that you can trade every day. Just enter the trade and forget about this. I guess it's going to be best decision. So I wouldn't say like we have solid like low time frame market maker model right now. I would say it's like accumulating so far. I have lots of posts on Twitter about M2 model, as well as I have a video about this on my YouTube channel. All you need to do is just go on my YouTube and find this. Okay. All right. It calls something like 70% win rate or something like this. M2 model for long today probably is going to be. Yeah, probably for long. Both gold and I wouldn't say like gold kind of choppy, but I like how NQ trying to drop. Gold also trying to drop, which is good for manipulation on NQ, right? So let's see if we get this manipulation down to look for potential long using M2 model. I mean on NQ. If you want to have short explanation, I have this on my Twitter. Give me 1 second. I'm going to send the link. You can just print this if you want. So I don't need to spend time explaining this. So here's a link from my Twitter. So basically, short explanation. So this is what you would like to see probably. Yeah, it works for swing trading. I just didn't try this, but I truly believe like it's fractal, right? So I don't really care what time frame it's going to be. It should work. So yeah, my answer is yes. Feels like, give me 1 second. Okay, doesn't really matter. Yeah, we have new day opening gap lower. Honestly, as said before, if I may feel new day opening gap and then reverse to London high, it's going to be brilliant idea. Amazing idea. What is your personal reason to trade M2? I mean, to the 2 minute time frame? I don't know, like less noise than on 1 minute chart. It's something between 1 minute chart and 5 minute chart. So I know, like works nice. Stop loss is less on 5 minute chart, but entry is better than on 1 minute chart. Like not that aggressive or risk entries, you know? Probably that's the answer. On gold, I wouldn't say like I know like for about setup from on gold just yet, but ideally something like this. What will happen in reality, I don't know, but I'm bullish on gold. I just would like to see this a second stage of reaccumulation. For this, we need to break below distortion low, enter discount, and then long to buy side liquidity. That's ideal scenario for me. But what can happen in reality? Just pump to this buy side. So I'm more bullish than bearish. By the way, yesterday I finished creating Playbook on TradeZella for M2 model specifically for 9 a.m. Yeah, it took lots of time to do this, but I have 70 trades inside this Playbook. I mean, of course, I can add more. Just so far, I have 70 trades in this Playbook with all rules, all notes for each trade. So I will figure out how to share this with you guys because I was trying to open this with in different browser with different account, this Playbook. I mean, I can see my trades, but I cannot see the chart for some reason. Who can help me with this? Because once again, when I trying to share this Playbook, I want to check this first. And I go to different browser with different account. I open this. I can see, for example, where I entered, like text entry, like stop loss, if it was loss or win. But chart itself with executions, impossible to see for some reason. I don't know why. Does anyone can help me with this? What I'm doing wrong? This means I need to create account or what? I mean, yeah, I'm going to share this for free. Just I'm trying to figure out how to see executions so you can see the chart with executions because for some reason I wasn't able to see this. If you can help me with this, that will be brilliant. I will share, guys, with you, so nothing to hide. Come on, InQ, let's drop slightly lower. We have SMT with ES so far. I already shared my opinion about funded next futures with new plan. I do like this plan, worth to try, and yeah, solid. It's quite cheap, so I got this as well. Will keep you updated. I have old plan, but got new plan to try. I will keep you updated with overall how I like it. But so far it's extremely cheap, so it's okay. Yeah, OT retracement. Let's see if gold can offer this retracement down first. I don't mind to look for potential reversal from this because I would like to really look for long from discount. Don't want to long in premium. because it's not even typical for a second stage of reaccumulation or redistribution. So basically, distortion wasn't broken just yet. I'm not saying like we must drop, but preferably. Discount long. Maybe deep discount long, but please. Yeah, guys, I also trying them. Once again, I have old plan, which is nice, but new plan is extremely cheap because you need to pay. Come on, yeah. You need to pay just one-time evaluation fee. So you pay this once and forget about it. So you don't need to pay for the second month, third month when you're trying to pass evaluation. Of course, you can pass it for one day, but the idea is if you want to take this slow, you can pass this as long as you want. And you don't need to worry about a next month's payment, which is extremely cheap, right? So I truly believe MT model is going to be for long. Let's see if we may drop slightly lower. We do have SMT right now. Just I feel like not enough for me to look for long. I would like to see slightly lower first. Asia low looks amazing. Feeling of new day opening gap looks amazing. Just let's see if we get this. What do you think about this, guys? You bullish or bearish on gold? Not on gold, on NQ. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, sell off to look for potential reversal. That's going to be ideal for me. So for MT model to long this, I would like to have a 2-minute order block. As you can see, we really traded just below 9 a.m. open, and that's it. See, nothing interesting. On gold as well, as I said before, I would like to see discount to long this. Otherwise, I will just stay away. Amazing drop on NQ. I really do like this. Also, if I'm going to switch on 3-minute chart. Oh, it wasn't potential sip, so never mind. But anyway, still nice drop. Oh, I have another screen. So I have another screen with gold and CL. So if I see like something cool happened, I'm going to let you know. I just see it's kind of choppy so far. Another screen. I have a couple of screens. Win rate is solid on M2 model for 9 a.m. But once again, it's only 70 trades, even less than 70 trades taken, like around 69 or so. So maybe it's not enough data to say for sure. It's around 70%. So going to Asia lows, that's nice. Let's see if we feel new day opening gap first. So first straight move down, would like to see minor retracement to create like smaller OB probably. I wouldn't say it was amazing short. I mean, it was predictable, but it wasn't like nice short. Where would you enter? I don't see like good entries, honestly. Maybe I'm blind, but it was predictable, but was hard to engage. Maybe something on second chart, but I wouldn't say it was easy short. Just predictable, but not easy. Okay, going for new day opening gap, exactly what I want to see. Like it. The only issue with this, it just straight move down. So looking for M2 model, it is going to be a bit harder for me. That's why I would like to see minor retracement to create some, up close candles for a smaller OB. It goes according to my plan so far, but once again, if you see this as like cool short, I wouldn't say it was cool short for me personally. Maybe I'm wrong, but it is what it is. Okay, we filled in the opening gap. That was my key level. I mean, I'm not saying like it wasn't tradable. It was just hard for me personally. Because if I was looking for empty model or potential sweep, it never happened. Something, of course, happened on forward chart, but who cares about forward chart, right? So Asia low taken on both yes and Q. The opening gap still remains lower on yes. We have minor SMT so far, right? Minor SMT with ES and Q these lows, because as you can see, we have a lower low while ES failed. It's not important yet. So I would say we partially filled new day opening gap on ES, but fully filled this on Q. Well, M and Q. I see some volatility right now on tape, which is crazy. Microsoft is up 6%. That's crazy. Oh, look. Yeah, that's crazy. So, as I said before, ideally empty model for long. The issue, we don't have 2-minute order block. It's going to be hard to engage. I would stay away, probably. I'm sorry, guys. Just for now. So let's see if he has my trade in this 2-minute fair value gap to offer one more leg down. Gold chop. I believe first percent fair value gap is huge, right? Nice to see one more leg down. Pretty much exactly what I would like to see for a 2-minute order block. Let's see if we get something. Still didn't trade, by the way, in this fair value gap. I didn't see this before. Crazy volatility. Guys, what is going on? Because I see crazy volatility right now on tape, but I don't really understand what is going on. We have any news at 9:35, 9:30? I don't think so. Something is going on. Definitely something is going on. Orange folder news, what time? What time we have? I see we have low impact news at 9:45. Yeah, new day opening gap. Looking for reversal from new day opening gap on ES. At least retracement, if not reversal. Okay. Gold nothing is going on as well. Oh, by the way, yeah, that's exactly today's last day of July. I just realized this. So one more SMT, like I wouldn't say like it's important to talk about SMT right now. Just yet. Oh, I got it. Yeah, thank you for letting me know about the tariffs. Thank you so much. Guys, where do you trade Forex? I don't trade Forex, so cannot help you with this. Never traded, by the way. Can help to analyze, but that's pretty much it. That's all I can do for you. Yeah, next video I will post new video about next week I will post new video about MT model with attached backtest. So I will do like short introduction, then video with backtesting. It's not going to be prepared examples. I'm going to do this like in real time, you know. So wait for the next week, please. No, I'm going to use TradeZella. That's personal preference, I guess. Also, I created Playbook, and trades that I'm going to test on video also will be included in Playbook, so you can see this like after. I just need to figure out how to see charts with executions, because for some reason I cannot do this. Anyway, I will figure this out, so don't think about this for now. But it's going to be TradeZella. I have FX replay, but I'm going to use TradeZella. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, nothing is going on so far on NQ, as well as nothing is going on gold. CL chop, but maybe it's going to be choppy simply because it's the last day of month, which is also possible, right? Okay, like M2 model and potential SIP, it's kind of different ideas with different time frames to enter. Also NFP, exactly right. So I wouldn't combine them probably, but if you see like let's say right now we have potential 30-minute SIP and 3-minute OB, as well as we got 2-minute order block, we traded below 9 AM open. It's solid confirmation for long. We don't have this for now, but overall idea. Okay, I wouldn't say like price action is bad right now, but it just, in my opinion, in this short, for me personally, using a trade model that I trade, it was hard to engage. I mean, yeah, it was obvious that we need to drop, but since it was obvious, we cannot like enter the trade with closed eyes, right? Without any ideas for this. It was beautiful, just hard to engage. My idea on gold, I already said that. Something like this is what I would like to see, guys. I would like to see me dropping to discount. Basically, we have flat candle. We're taking out flat candle. We're trading below OT, not OT, equilibrium, right? And then I will look for a long from discount if it wants to present any opportunity. I'm not going to engage in this long because I see a second stage of reaccumulation. We're trading within distortion so far. Inside distortion makes zero sense to engage. I would like to see drop, then pump. Said that many times, but you got my point, right? One moment. Something interesting was found. We took this level on micro gold. What to do next? Guys, I don't know. What to do next? We just took key levels that I was watching on gold, but micro gold took this. Probably. I would wait for this on. I hate this so much. Why it's going on? Why it's happening? Please don't do this. See this, guys, how different it is? Micro gold did its job. Exactly what I want to see. Crazy. Crazy. Exactly what I want to see. Give me 1 second. I need to think about this. Because, like, actually, gold needs to drop as well. Support. I would like to see gold dropping as well, but do I like to see? No, yeah, I would like to see gold lower. So let's stay with original idea. It was our original setup that I mentioned at the beginning of stream. Yeah, let's see if we may drop lower. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense. Flat candle, at least. Okay, guys, like, quick question for you. When you see the picture, like, let's say micro gold take key level while gold fails, or M and Q takes key level and Q fails, what normally you want to do with this information? You want to look for reversal, or you want to wait for NQ to take or gold to take this key level? Normally, like, what you would like to see? That's a good question. Just tell me, because I'm not going to have the answer. Just interesting to see your opinion. So basically, you want to wait for, right? Because if I want to trade only gold, I want to trade from discount as well. Probably, right? Alarm. Oh, okay, got it. Yeah, I would wait as well. It's not unsync at all, but I wouldn't say like it makes sense to consider to compare micro gold and gold because it's two different instruments, right? I'm looking for lower on gold. Okay, I switched from iPhone to Android. Am I crazy? Am I crazy, guys? See this? It's Samsung fault. But good news, I have pencil for this. See this? I bought this pencil, which I'm not going to use at all. Why I bought this? Because maybe one day I want to use this, but Probably. I'm not going to use it as well at all. Come on, Dasha, what are you doing? Okay, I was using iPhone like for a long time, but my last iPhone was 15 Pro Max. I still have it, but it started working so slow. Probably issue with battery, but maybe I need to just like reinstall, like delete everything, like fact that it is set. That it was extremely slow. I still have it. I mean, I do like this, my favorite phone, but let's be honest, Apple will not let you have one phone for more than 2 years, probably. So I'm officially an Android user, guys. You can hate me for this. And Colt, I think you're doing amazing job. So we still don't have M2 model, but that's nice because I would like to see ES trading to new day opening gap. Oh, here we go. Okay, flat candle taken on both yes, not a yes. So I used to say like a yes and NQ. Gold and micro gold. Isn't that amazing? I would say it's brilliant. We barely traded below equilibrium. We still have OT slightly lower. And okay, like let's ignore the setup like this. Let's see where was not MT model, 3-minute model with original entry here, stop loss, swing high. And 2R is going to be lower. Didn't play out yet, right? I mean, play out on micro gold, but didn't play out on gold yet. That's original idea. But since we have flat candle, we were looking for this model. Still waiting for M2 model on queue. Hope to get this. Maybe it's going to be delayed, but we still have time. ES playing games so far, as you can see, because it was so close to fill new day opening gap. We have accumulation. We definitely have manipulation. So I hope at least range expansion distribution is going to be back to original consolidation. Basically, New York midnight open. What do you think about it, guys? Still volatility on NQ. You mean deadline for what? For homework that I posted like 3 weeks ago, or for new video? It's going to be next week, first half of the week. So water block on ES is going to be closure above blue line. It's not blue line yet, but it's going to be blue line right now. So closure above this blue line is going to be 2-minute OB. And on NQ is going to be at this level. You want to use empty model without ES? Okay, we don't have 2-minute order block. Let's try to stay away overall right now. Like, no reason to talk about this because we don't have M2OB even on NQ, right? I cannot select switch from CFD to futures. If you want to try, you can just pick one pretty much cheap prop firm, but not like random prop firm, like popular one, and try with them. If you like, you can basically try with funded next futures, I guess, because it's quite cheap so far. Oh, height from level for M2 model will be new day opening gap. We fill new day opening gap. Probably it's going to be height from level. If you would like to use my code, I appreciate this. It's just regular code Lumi. "30-second inversion fair value gap gave you 30 points. That's crazy. That's nice. That's amazing. You know, I don't use something lower than 2-minute chart. Funded next futures does not have a consistency on evaluation, but does have consistency on funded. It's okay. Do you see problem with this? I don't really see the problem with this. So I got this. We'll give them a try. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's start talking about M2 model, at least to try to talk about this. So for this, we need to get the closure. I'm not going to predict the closure because I have no idea. Guys, what I'm highlighting right now, who can tell me? What does 50% means? 50%, what is this? Who knows what is 50%? Don't pay attention, trade, like, what does 50% means? Does anyone know? Yes, it's 50% of consolidation, exactly. So as we know, right? When we have additional consolidation, like accumulations and drop, which is manipulation, price tends to retrace to 50%, right? Wait a minute. Guys, can you see the 70-point stop loss? Only 70 points. It's like nothing. Okay, I'm going to be more specific. 83 points range. That's a lot. Why is yours 46? What did you do with this? Yeah, I'm like overall, like up. In reality, actually, we can try just like 2-3 micros. It's not a big deal. Just it's still going to be a huge one, around like $500 risk. Okay, guys, let's just wait for retracement then. So just huge leg up. Oh, 1-minute order block. I know you love 1-minute chart. Okay, it's not what I'm going to treat, at least for now. I got it. Once again, it's very last day of months. So maybe volatility is like, okay, we can understand this. I'm just not sure if it's going to even retrace for us. Lot size, it's the same. It can be like 2 lots, which means 2 contracts. You can use any word you like more. I'm not going to lie. I really want to see something like this. But maybe I'm asking for too much after such a huge trap. Because actually, I'm asking for like complete recovery, right? Maybe I'm asking for too much. If you want to take this on 25K, if you just want to try, I would try with micro probably. I guess it just doesn't make any sense to risk 100 points with lots of contracts because even with 5 micros, it's $1,000. So I wouldn't do this. If you really would like to try something, try with 1 micro. So on your screen, you can see M2 model. I highlighted M2 model. So it's around 70% win rate. This means nothing is going to give you 100%. It's totally possible to see like all the way down to take stop loss. Just model itself is here. We took new day opening. We filled new day opening gap. We still have room to go lower on ES. It left like small portion of this new day opening gap. We have, I would say, we have completely recovery on ES while NQ struggling. I wouldn't say like it's extremely ugly moves, but gold was better. We got 2R. I mean, we got this 2R on micro gold long time ago, but at least gold was able to get this. And Q not really moving. Yeah, unfortunately. Let's see. I'm just not quite sure about this entry yet, honestly. Where is my trading platform? It just, I know, like kind of huge range. Okay, let's, I guess, wait more. I kind of, like I kind of would like to see move towards this 50% of original consolidation, but at the same time, my concern may be ES, which left new day opening gap. On gold, I should play out. I mean, like we are in discount. Our task is to get potential sweep. If we get this, to long this. Otherwise, wait for potential sweep a bit lower then. Maybe it will take out sell side first. You will take short here. Yes, because yes, at OT while NQ still in discount, what would you short? Yes, probably, right? I wouldn't short, I'm not going to lie, just yet. Especially in Q. At least equilibrium, the test of this leg down. Just sometimes it's extremely hard to short in discount. Oh, you want a short team? Okay, team inversion. Maybe I will agree with you then. Okay, just not right now. I wouldn't short just right now. We have SMT, kind of crazy SMT took like last swing high. Or here, kind of feels funny. This is why I said like it's kind of hard to believe in full recovery right now. But my original plan today, when I was typing my pre-market plan, I will look for long from new day opening gap to aim for London high. It was my original plan this morning before the market opened around like 8 a.m. It was my plan. But probably I'm crazy. Yeah, original consolidation. Basically, I took high and low of original consolidation. Projected 50%, that's it. Don't be afraid. It's just kind of tricky right now. I'm not going to lie. Yes, right now at OT, while NQ still in discount, never tested equilibrium, this leg down, as well as ES left small portion of new day opening gap. So basically to fill this portion, always. Not in yet. Not in yet. I had some trades this morning, so around 7. Where are we going? Where are we going? It's okay, don't worry about this. I think tomorrow is going to be all-time high and today is going to be retracement. How far you would like to see retracement? To take Friday low? So let's see. Yeah, you were at about 2-minute inversion for a value gap. Let's see if we invert this. I will move this to the right, so maybe it's looking a bit confusing to see what will happen right now. We have SMT, but in Q still in discount. But ES retraced to OT and left small portion of new day opening gap. So maybe I will be fine with move lower on ES, but I'm not quite sure about NQ because hard to short in discount. One minute, of course, what you would like to see there? Like breaker block? What else? Oh, I got it. I'm not sure about entry right now on ES. Oh, I mean on Q. Because on Q, once again, I wouldn't like real short in discount. Maybe I will look for potential reversal if it wants to reverse from equilibrium at least, which is going to be from this high to this low at 710.75. We're still trading in discount, and that main reason why I'm trying to be careful, probably. Guys, this model, as you see for long, it's empty model. Once again, it's not going to play out 100% of the time, but as you can see, here is the long based on this model. It can fail, definitely. But here's the idea for this long. I would say I have set up, which is for long, but probably it will drop because I'm going to enter long. Why I'm saying this? I'm just kidding right now, but hard to believe in a complete recovery. Just yet. Probably. We filled new day opening gap. It can be like height from level. We got break of structure to upside. We got change in the state of delivery. So basically, smart money reversal confirmed. See? I'm from Belarus. It's next to Russia. So it's long, in my opinion. If you see this as short, I'm happy for you. Once again, nothing works 100% of the time, but like overall, I'm looking for empty model and to confirm this by smart money reversal. I would say we have confirmed smart money reversal. Nothing on 5-minute chart, of course, but 2-minute chart looks solid. What do you think, guys? Overall, since it dropped a lot, yeah, of course, it may be smart to think about continuation lower after retracement, especially ES at OT. But the opening gap is enough, I guess. Okay, guys, I'm going to wait for at least equilibrium. If it wants to drop right now, amazing. It's not where I would ever short. At least equilibrium of this leg down, which is still like 22 points away. I would say we have smart money reversal on 2-minute chart. Since we got like just straight move down, obviously we don't have anything on 5-minute chart yet. Yeah, yes, right now at OT. On yes, that's nice. So I wouldn't ask for much. Like higher, yes, where it has to be. While in Q, not really. I'm not saying like we should pump here, not really, but would like to see a move higher. Before, if it wants to drop, I would rather look for short higher. I just said I'm not going short in discount. That's pretty much it. Okay, let's ignore M2 model since 9 a.m. Even 10 a.m. Doesn't want to suggest me short this yet, at least. We need to trade like above 10 a.m. I wouldn't say like we do trade it yet. It's kind of accumulating near 10 a.m. open as well. And maybe that's fine. So it's last day of month. Tomorrow's August. Not in a rush right now, so look at this drop right from OT on ES. You want to see 750 area. I mean, I know, like, I'm not going to short right now, even if, I mean, we have inversions. That's nice. See this inversion, guys, over here? I'm just going to probably wait for something more obvious and then shorten discount. Maybe yes, by the way. Yes, maybe we have potential sweep. Not really. We do have, let me switch on 3-minute chart real quick. We have the test of 3-minute order block. We don't have fresh 3-minute OB to short 3-minute order block at this consolidation. Yeah, maybe long not really smart because hard to believe in complete recovery. I agree with you. So that's why I'm not in this trade just yet. Gamma levels, not really. Where do you see gamma levels? Trade ethics. Five-minute fair value gap. Oh yeah, I see this. I don't think that's important, honestly. We got the test of 2-minute order block on ES just now. Guys, as you can see, here's the model. Like, we have all rules for this. Only what the issue is around like 70, 80 point stop loss. That's the only issue, which makes me feel tricky. We'll be more confident with long, probably with break above this blue line. We'll validate this as high probability. At this point, at least we may look for stop loss at this swing low. I wouldn't mind to reduce stop loss. We have 2-minute inversion, but once again, it's just like logically kind of hard to short from discount. From deep discounts, that's the issue. Especially after we filled new day opening gap, like it's also hard to believe it's not going to even offer the test of equilibrium. Because if it's going to fail, I will stay away at all. I have some trades this morning. I had some trades this morning, so I'm sitting green on the day. But overall, like I wouldn't mind to look for another trade on M2 model. But why are you buying? I'm not buying yet. Not buying yet. Just waiting so far. Looking for maybe long from this 2-minute order block. Not yet. Why I'm avoiding this trade because of huge stop loss. It's just not worth it to risk 80 points on this trade yet. I would rather wait for the closure above this blue line to reduce stop loss to the swing low. I think so. Otherwise, like I just don't see any reason right now to risk 70 points, 70, 80 points. You were short. Logic of trades is pretty much similar what I explain in my videos. It's always same models. Yeah, closure. Yeah, I believe closure above this down close candle should offer better risk reward trade rather than this trade. 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart. It's gold. I didn't see something interesting on Q today, especially this morning. Maybe something happened during the night, but I slept. 99% of my trades is on gold. Kind of not in sync right now with ES. ES at OT. We got reclaimed fair value gap. British fair value gap. Here's 2-minute OP. Oops. Come on, Dasha, what did you type? But at least this order block on yes, I mean, it's huge, but at least it's in discount. Guys, you bullish or bearish? Because it's not in sync right now, hard to say for sure. I see in hindsight, NQ was nice. In hindsight, NQ was nice. Okay, guys, type 1 in the chat if you're bullish. If you're bearish too. Let's see. 0 means like no bias, okay. Like 50-50, right? No bias, 0. Oh, lots of ones. Interesting. What level you would like to see, guys? Guys, if you're bullish, you would like to see complete recovery? Which hard to believe, right? But also hard to believe it's not going to retrace at least to premium after we completely filled new day opening gap, right? Oh, like bearish for the day. It like intraday bias, not like high frame bias. I agree with you. Market is permanently bullish, so forget about huge drops. Yeah, main drop happened before market open to fill new day opening gap, right? I'm not going to lie. At least retest of these fair value gaps in premium at 750, 760 will be nice. Interesting to see NQ trying to drop. I mean, trying, while gold also dropping. Okay. No, I'm fine. I'm fine to wait for more better structure to trade something. Look at ES. ES trying to drop from OT retracement. Feels like I'm not ready yet. It's okay. Okay. I mean, totally possible to see this drop, but I would engage in short from deep discount. Even if it's going to drop hard right now, it's just hard to believe in this. Good ejection on daily week so far. That's brilliant ejection. I'm not going to lie. But oral structure without, I mean, like, I just would like to see the retracement. Let me switch on 15-minute chart real quick. Yeah, at any means, it's huge stop loss. Not for me. I would say ES always decides the move. It's basically it's continuation, but with retracement up. This is what I expect to get ideally. Why I'm saying continuation, because as you can see, ES left small portion of new day opening gap which need to be filled. Maybe look for the discount zone in 1 hour. You know, we just filled new day opening gap. Obviously, expect to get reaction. SMT never confirms. I mean, it's nice confirmation, but not really like major confirmation of continuation or reversal. Depends on structure on high time frame, I would say. Yeah, I'm still sitting on hands with this NQ bias because I'm not really sure if it wants to really pump, which I don't mind. Just hard to look for short and discount. We have weekly open lower, we have previous day low and Friday low. That's pretty much it. That's all we have. Once again, totally possible to see continuation, just hard to believe in continuation in discount, but it's okay. $10.25. And maybe something wants to happen. Nope. Okay, we will wait more. Like 143. You said like we must take some other stuff. For example, it can be weekly open. What level you looking to be taken? I'm not saying like it's bad. It's okay. I'm totally fine with this. Just structure was ugly. And by the way, MC model today failed. It's okay. Not really failed, but I believe it's going to fail. So far we have 99% retracement. So this was you mean on lower time frame? It's funny, but it's struggling, really struggling so far. Oh, on lower time frame. I was thinking like you asking for high time frame. That's why I said continuation. I was thinking you asking me about continuation lower. It's too deep to consider this as market maker by model, but once again, I don't mind to see retracement back to equilibrium at least, which is struggling so far. It's okay, don't worry about this. You want to look for another long opportunity from 562. Got it. Can you please give me the price for equilibrium of previous range? I was in the rush this morning, so I did not highlight this. But good to have this on your chart, definitely. From midnight to midnight, we need to highlight. So basically low. What time it was? No, it's not going to work. Okay. Equilibrium of previous range. 582. You can include midnight high as well, so don't worry about this, I guess. I'm from Belarus. It's next to Russia, so yeah, I do speak Russian. You know, I'm thinking about upside move simply because we got move. We got feel of new day opening gap. We are almost filled new day opening gap on yes, which is my concern to be honest. But on yes, on NQ, I mean, I was fine with maybe not complete reversal, but at least retracing to this premium from new day opening gap, which makes lots of sense to me. I'm not relative with this. Why are you asking? It's not maybe because today is last day of months, so maybe that's why it's kind of choppy so far. Yeah, maybe it's going to be chop until PM session. Maybe. Yeah, that's why I'm not like I'm chilling right now. Not in rush. If not going to present any opportunity to enter, I will be fine with this, I guess. By the way, guys, did you see new sale from Take Profit Trader this morning? They sent me like, if you're going to buy our accounts with 40% off, you will get 100% refund from evaluation after first payout. I was like, what? So this means if you're going to buy right now, Take Profit Trader, and once you're going to go for first payout, they will refund you your evaluation fee. That's kind of solid. I'm thinking about this. I mean, I already have this. My direction is, I don't really have direction, honestly. I don't really have bias for the day. I was looking for a new day opening gap, and that's it. We got this right before market open, so I was like, okay, what to do next? What should I do next with this information? It's kind of a little bit. Feels like account blowing price action. I'm thinking like probably I'm going to uh, lock accounts until lunch PM session. New day opening gap filled. This means I don't really understand what you're talking about. I'm sorry about this. It's built in low resistance to downside, which means what? It may offer sharp move down before reversal. It's a mystery, exactly. Yeah, I'm going to stay away from predicting probably. Equilibrium previous day range lower at 582.75. Yeah, empty model failed today. Failed, not yet, but about to be failed. I think that's okay. empty model doing its best to survive in this price action. So far, 99.9% retrace went down, but still valid somehow. I know how, but somehow. Let's see where we're going right now. We have equilibrium of previous range. We also have weekly open lower. Yeah, NK definitely looks more better than ES at this moment. Normally, SMT confirmed by order block. Yes, we do have a new low of the day on NQ, but it's not confirmed SMT just yet. Yeah, gold was nice. Where's previous day low level? Oh, lots of points. Well, it took, sell side liquidity level for retracement back up to 53, 55 will be amazing. Thirty minutes and our potential sweep. Let's see. I'm not quite sure if it's even worth to try to trade something, honestly. Definitely can be wrong about it, but by the way, I was backtesting yesterday, March, empty model. And I was like, I'm backtesting only with micros, like 3-5 micros. And I was backtesting, I was like, I entered with 5 micros. I didn't even realize how huge range was in March this year. I was like, I need to risk 150 points to make 300 points. Sounds like a deal. Really, remember what happened in March? It was crazy ranges. Remember how 1 minute candle looked like 200 points down? Like nothing. Why not to drop 300 points within 2 minutes? Because yesterday was backtesting, I got like one trade where I risked 150 points to make 300 points. And I stopped not at break even, I stopped like full stop. Stop loss for 150 points. It was crazy. I didn't even realize initially how crazy it was. But okay, just fine. Yeah, it was crazy. I remember when I was trading with 1 micro and I was like, huge money, huge money. Yeah, crazy experience. Crazy. Oh, thank you so much for using code. Yeah, those days I also was thinking like, why not to create like nano contracts? We didn't mind. Crazy. Okay, nothing is going on so far. Unfortunately. So right now SMT at lows was close to equilibrium of previous range, failed, but we did trace to OT on yes. Let's switch on 1 minute chart real quick. Oh, nothing. Can we take equilibrium of previous range? So far, I guess this level only what makes sense. close to equilibrium of previous range. Nothing else going on. Slowly going lower to probably trying to test equilibrium of previous range, but see how struggling it is right now. Oh, trust me, I guess if you took small losses, better to be done for the day. Not try anymore. Tomorrow's NFP probably will be just in slow move down to pump tomorrow. Okay, guys. Maybe they want to do something like this. How big range? That's crazy range. Do you guys understand if it's going to drop really to weekly open, it's going to be 200 points move down? $180. It's going to be crazy. So empty model failed so far. I'm going to keep this on my chart to just journal this after Steam. Let's see if we get second chance. There's just no second chance yet. Why? Because nothing works 100%. So I expected to get sold empty model, especially after we filled in the opening gap. It failed. This happens. No complaints. This model doesn't have 100% win rate. Failed, okay? Journal this and forget about this, yeah. The next one, right? I would like to see lower. About to fill new day opening gap. That's good news. filled new day opening gap on ES. That's good news once again. How big your long zone? Does it cover weekly open? Just interesting. Okay, then. Also, we have huge fair value gap on lower time frames there. So empty model still remains for long. It might just take a bit more time than I expected to get. Did I call it? What did you call? Yeah, Ross sees this equilibrium of previous range taken. Isn't that amazing? $562. Oh yeah, I remember you said you want to look for another M2 model from that level. Am I right about this? I remember someone said that. I just don't remember who said this. Good job. What level do you have at 562? Because I saw like 582 probably, which was equilibrium of previous range. What level we have at 562, if you don't mind me to ask? I don't really see what kind of level we have there. Like the test of this level? Like the test of old resistance? Oh, okay, I got it. Thank you. Interesting sell off. Normally, like projected move. Let's see where's projected move from this high to this low. Let's use exactly same projected move. Lines up with weekly open scissors. Just don't want to use projections. Exactly same idea. So projected move at weekly open. SMT between YM and NQ. Okay. Today is a lot. Once again, I didn't expect a lot from today, but the last day of month probably it's really trying to sell off to pump for NVP tomorrow. Can it be true? I guess so. M2 model failed today. It was today. But the last time when it failed, it was today. Yesterday it played out. Just took 5 hours. It's okay. Happens sometimes. Nothing works 100%, right? Issue with this model today, it was stop loss was around like 80 points. Only the issue. But it's okay, I guess, once again. No complaints. Gold, as I said, I would like to see on gold a retest of 53.55. What do you think about this? Yeah, yesterday I was extremely lucky to close my trade right at the top before reversal. I had limit order there. It just initially this first week it wasn't filled for some magical and stupid reason. This second week it feels this. Happy with this, you know. I took early today around like 7 a.m. some trades on my take profit trader accounts, so I'm fine today. But definitely could sit red today because of, for example, if I decided to try this M2 model, if let's say I didn't have any trades before, probably I would try this, and it could be losing trade. Today could be red for me, but I am somehow ended up being green. Somehow. You know, when you say like it must go there, probably it will not go there because market doesn't care what we want to see. Unfortunately. Oh, yesterday I traded my personal account. I cannot trade. You know, yesterday was day off, and I cannot open the trade and leave my computer on funded accounts because it's it's hurt. It's about to get like I'm about to get heart attack after this. It was personal account. I didn't have trading drawdown there. Let's see, guys. Can we take weekly open today? I mean, I'm green today. I made my money, but it wasn't on NQ today at all. I took some trades this morning gold. My funded futures up $300 each, and take profit trader up $610 each. If I traded NQ this morning, probably it could be loss, which probably will take all my profit. So I'm happy I decided to stay away at all. I use Replikanto, so I'm green for this week. I took 0 losing trades because I didn't trade. I took some trades on NQ, but I traded gold mostly. So idea is to stop trading, trade my personal account only. So I'm going for this. Just props so far is way easier to trade, right? Without trading drawdown, of course. So for example, today I took a trade on funded accounts. Yesterday I didn't trade funded accounts, only live account. That's why I entered the trade and like forgot about this. Yeah, yesterday with that like range, I moved my stop loss and break even several times and I moved this back to original stop loss because I was like, okay, less than less. But when I was in profit, like around like $800, I was like, maybe I should close. And it's always annoying, hard to decide. Because when it's sharp, I really want to close the trade and forget about this. Today is rocket launch at 12:09. And I'm thinking if I should drive 40 minutes to watch this when it's going to be 7 miles away. Let me see how far I need to drive. Do we have traffic? Because it's like 40 minutes drive. Hard choice. Gym or rocket launch? 16 miles. Okay, 40 minutes. Okay. No traffic. Which one is better? To go to the gym or watch rocket launch, which is 7 miles away from me? Hard choice. Which one is better? Rocket launch. Yeah, it's 7 miles away. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be people there. So people going to space today. I was at gym yesterday morning at 7 a.m. So maybe it's not like necessary. I have scheduled class that I need to decide. So I have 5 more minutes to decide. It's 40 minutes trip on my car. So it's going to take maybe 1 day to go there. Even more than 1 day. I live in Florida. Both at the same time, yeah. Okay, 5 more minutes to decide, so we figure this out. I took some trades on gold with different size. On my funded futures, I made a bit less than $300 each account and take profit trader. Okay, gross realized PNL 610, but total PNL including commission is 605. So I made $600 on take profit traders account. Go with bicycle. It's extremely hot in Florida, so 32 degrees. Feels like 37. I love it. We're in Florida, Santa Florida, Space Coast. 30 minutes away from Orlando. 10 minutes away from ocean. So guys, I prepared some giveaways for this week and for the next week. It's going to be lots of my funded futures accounts, lots of funded next futures accounts, and lots of funding ticks accounts. We'll create schedule. Yes, I live in Florida. You live in Florida as well? I used to live in Hollywood, South Florida. Then we moved to North Carolina. From North Carolina, we moved back to Florida again. But yes, live in Florida for long time. We live in Miami. Yeah, I was living in Hollywood. My kid was born there as well. to be more specific, that Dania Beach. So then we moved to then we moved to Boca Raton. Then from Boca Raton we moved to North Carolina. From North Carolina we moved to Central Florida. And like Miami vibe is not for me, I guess. Do you want to visit Brazil? I guess so. Yes, I do want to see. I want to visit something, but not America. Lots of Russian. Yeah, Sunny Isles. That's the main reason why I don't want to move to Sunny Isles. I don't have Russian friends at all. But my husband has lots of friends in Sunny Isles, in Davie, in Fort Lauderdale. So he wants to move there again, but I'm not kind of ready to this. So let's see if we may go to weekly open. Denver, I don't think so. So my kids love summer. My husband loves summer. I hate summer. I hate when it's so hot. North Carolina weather was brilliant for me. Like for not really 4 seasons, but pretty much close to this. If I could move back to North Carolina, I would do this. But my kids and my husband don't want to do this. Yeah, it's on. The funny to say, I have I'm US citizen, but my Belarusian passport is expired. So all I have right now is my US passport. It's hot, yeah, hate it. Okay, guys. So this week I will do more giveaways. Next week, next week I will post new video with attached playbook for M2 model. You hate North Carolina weather? Okay, maybe summer is quite hot. It's even worse than in Florida, but overall weather is nice. Okay, I guess we can be done for the day because price action does not want to provide something good so far. Can we let's see if my test weekly open, and if so, I hope to get something. Yeah, weather in North Carolina, especially in August and July, hard to survive. It's even worse than in Florida, but the rest of the year, it's brilliant. Beautiful fall, pretty much soft winter. So I do like it. I do like it. Okay, guys. If no more questions, I will figure out how to share Playbook for M2 model with you. It will have notes for the model as well as rules for the model, so you basically can pick rules. M2 model failed today, which is, I guess, fine. As you can see, it building low resistance liquidity to upside. We got projected move. This blue line is projected move to weekly open. We should go there. I will probably try to trade PM session again on my Epix accounts. But nothing interesting is going on so far. So we'll come back tomorrow. Guys, if you see like NQ does not want to provide you like solid setup, pay attention to gold between 7 and 9 a.m. because gold really pays money recently. So I'm pretty much doing trade on gold, and this week is green week for me. So guys, I will see you tomorrow at maybe even early, at tomorrow is Friday. So maybe I will start around like 8:50, 8:40. Don't make stupid mistakes. Since it's trying to build low resistance to downside, remember we can get sharp move down with potential reversal right after this. Maybe you can get your long soon. Yeah, take it easy, guys. Hard market, kind of hard market, but overall, like, okay. Don't trade gold because gold best time already passed. So yeah, I will start steaming probably pre-market when I'm trading gold because I execute on gold before even like 8:30 a.m. most of the time. Let's see. I will try to start early tomorrow to finish early tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you for watching me. Don't forget the last day of my funded futures sale and TradingView sale. This means straight to funded right now on TradingView is only $176. I have 5 straight to funded accounts as well. Oh, it's not my phone. So we'll start trading straight to funded because time to trade more prop firms. I got 5 straight to funded because right now is solid deal to trade them. Are you going early? I mean, it's kind of boring per section so far. Nothing is going on, unfortunately. Just guys, watch my last videos about how to trade gold and thank me later tomorrow for setup. Maybe even Asia today will offer something. So I'm going to disconnect accounts at all. Yeah, close Ninja for 2, maybe PM session. I really wanted to see the action from the opening gap first. It failed. It's okay, so. Okay, guys. I love you. Thank you for watching me. Don't make stupid mistakes. We will get set up today, maybe during lunch. So it's trying to build low resistance to down to upside for a reason, right? So PM can be interesting. Okay, guys. I will see you tomorrow earlier than today, around like 8:50, 8:40 a.m. to try to trade gold tomorrow together. Gold, maybe CL, but probably gold because gold is most my trades taken on gold. And yes, watch my last videos, do homework, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye bye.